In this video, I would like to show you how you can introduce yourself to the course community. After you finished watching this video, just simply go to the right top corner and then click on Go to Dashboard. When you are in your dashboard, just click on Q&A. And then there will be a little white box. And normally you can write your questions in that white box and then I answer them. But this time I want you to do something different. I want you to answer one very simple question. And that is, why exactly are you taking this course? What exactly is your motivation? It would mean the world to me if you could introduce yourself and tell me why exactly you are taking this course. Now, why exactly should you introduce yourself to the course community? For me personally, it's always amazing to get to know you, and also I will read each and every one of your self-introductions and I will get back to you. So I will get back to each and every one of you. So if you introduce yourself and if you perhaps already have some questions, I will answer your questions right away. So please again, just click on Go to Dashboard in the right top corner, go to Q&A, and then afterwards please answer the question why you're taking this course. Alright, thank you so much for watching and we'll see each other in the Q&A section.